see you tomorrow.
Say bye-bye, Papa.
Bye-bye, Papa.
Bye-bye. 呢度啱啱係嗰個咩啊？
弟弟鍾意嘛？ Huh? You like it? What do you see?
係啊，啦，俾個學做設計 automobile。
Which one do you like the most, Dede? You like that one? You like that one? Oh, you like that one too? Huh? What else do you like?
I want that one.
You want that one?
I want that one.
That one?
I want that one.
What kind of car is it?
I want that one.
What kind of car are they? Hmm?
Barbie.
Oh, there's nothing in the back. It's a poster. That's okay. Okay, hold on just a minute.